Hey, this is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone, and yesterday Xiaomi launched the very interestingly named Poco F1 in India, and here we have it. We are obviously doing a full review. Irshad is doing the full review and you'll get to see that very soon. But before that, we wanted to put out a camera comparison. So this one actually is going to be a blind test. A blind test is a concept we came up with because in camera comparisons what happens is we tell you our opinions about these photos and these pictures, and you generally get biased because of what we say on camera. So this is going to be a blind test where you'll get to decide which picture you like. So there's going to be A, B and C, and you know what phones we are comparing it with? The ones that you asked us to. So we're doing the Poco Phone F1 versus the OnePlus 6 versus the Mi A2, or maybe the Poco Phone versus Mi A2 versus OnePlus 6, or Mi A2 versus Poco versus OnePlus. It's going to be in a haphazard manner. You're going to have to guess which one is A, which one is B, and which one is C. And let us know in the comments. Don't cheat. Don't look at the results at the end of this video, and go and let us know in the comments before you watch the last picture, and tell us in the comments which one you think is the winner. But with that, I guess let's get into this blind camera test. Before jumping into the video, if you also think that the Poco phone has a bad name and they should change that name, then subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon right next to it. So with that, we come to an end of this blind camera test. Thank you so much for watching this video. So that's it. No, that's not it. Okay, I have to tell you the winners here, right? So all the photos that were tagged A were from the OnePlus 6, B were from the Poco F1 with AI turned on. So I turned AI on for all the pictures, so that this is how people will take the pictures from that phone. That's why I turned AI on. And C were from the Mi A2. So I'm sure most of you have guessed it right. If you did get it right in the comments before checking out these results, let us know in the comments, and let's see who has gotten all the guesses right. So I guess with that we come to an end of this video. Please wait for the full review of the Poco phone F1 or the Poco F1, which is coming very soon. With that we come to an end of this blind test. Let us know if you want to see more blind tests, or if you want to see a detailed camera comparison of these exact phones. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sri Hari from Mr. Phone, and yeah, that's it. Bye.